last few episodes, you've probably noticed that I've had some inconveniences. The transmission in the bed, no breakfast, running over 2 tripod stands. This will be the 3rd, hopefully not. So let's see. Let's recap. I don't know. So I bought a front end loader, the Beast, aka the Beast. I did a bunch of maintenance on it to make sure that it was work ready, and there it sits, ready for service. I purchased an excavator. I haven't named it yet, but I redid the bushing pins on the bucket, put some new teeth on the bucket, new power arms, greased it up, and now it should be ready to go. I also replaced a couple hydraulic lines, fixed some leaks, serviced the oils, hydraulics, fixed some leaks on the steering pedals. So this should be ready for service, and today or this weekend I plan on putting in my gate posts. 400 plus pounds of a 1/2 inch 6x6 box steel. What else? What else? I did quite a bit, I guess. I plowed in the driveway, right? I fixed the road a little bit so I can get in without any serious issues. I purchased the shipping containers. So, I mean, I think I got things accomplished. Of course, not what I truly wanted to get accomplished, but I guess I'm somewhat still moving forward slowly. So I think that's about all that I have for the year, and hopefully this year there'll be a lot more success in getting stuff completed that I need to get completed. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the rebar 4-inch pieces, and I'm going to weld 4 of them in different locations on the end that I'm going to put in the ground, and that I'm going to concrete in place. This way it'll hold them from being pulled upwards, right? So here's concrete. I'm going to use this fast setting concrete mix that sets without mixing, sets hard in 20 to 40 minutes, right? Exceeds the compressive strength required for ASM C387, whatever that means. It was $6.98 a bag. I had them strapped on the trailer, and they bounced so much. Even though I had them strapped down, they bounced so much and they fell off. So I lost 2 bags that got ripped off, or ripped when they fell off. So